Hey guys, it is Katie. Welcome back. Hey guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to take you guys along with me. Not really, I'm literally just going to film myself while I'm really bored in my house bored. And just like film. I'm currently in social isolation. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm currently in social isolation and so are you. So we're all in this together. Yeah, I decided I wanted to do my makeup today just because I haven't worn makeup in a while and I felt like doing my makeup and like doing something a little bit different with it. I don't know, maybe go out of my comfort zone, maybe, or maybe just do the exact same thing that I do all the time. I don't know. I guess we'll see, but yeah, let's just like quit the talking and start doing my makeup. So how is everyone going in social isolation or quarantine or whatever? I look like a little primary schooler. So that's really embarrassing. I'm going to zoom you out a little bit. Can I even do that? Nope. Okay, that's as far as you can go out. I feel like if you're bored, doing your makeup is actually really fun. So you should so do your makeup. And if you're a guy, you should so do your makeup anyway. So I'm obviously going to do my eyebrows first because obviously I'm currently on like what day is it? It's a Saturday right now. And I started like complete isolation, like stopped school on Wednesday. So I've been in isolation for 4 days. Seriously thought I would be good at this whole like social isolation thing because I've kind of been doing that like my whole life, like 16 years. But I've actually really been struggling with it. Just like knowing that I'm not allowed to go and see my friends, I think is what's like getting me, because I hate being told what to do. Like them telling me not to do it makes me want to do it. Whereas before everyone was telling me to leave the house and like socialize and I was like, nah, I'm good. But now they're like stay inside and I'm like, no. I've honestly been struggling this whole time, but it's okay. So yeah, but I've just been trying to keep myself preoccupied and I feel like just expect a lot of videos from me in the next couple weeks because this is literally all I've been doing. Oh, I've also been literally stalking the Hype House. I'm obsessed with all of them. I want to join it so bad, like send in my little resume. Like literally I've watched every single video and interview on the Hype House, as well as like the Sway House as well, like all the drama and beef and stuff. It's honestly so entertaining. Like you can literally get stuck in like a black hole just watching all those videos. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing my eyebrows and then finish. Hello, I am back. I'm gonna do my lips now. Can't really talk while I do this. I got given this. Should I try it? It might be a bit risky. Oh, it's like pink. I don't know if I regret that or not. Look how pink it is. Okay, so that was a really pink lipstick. Oh my god, I literally look like Miranda Sings right now. Whoops, maybe I might go over that. Okay, I feel like that's a bit better. I'm now gonna wipe off all this shit. I honestly forgot I had it on my face, to be honest. Honestly, right now, the biggest issue in the world is the coronavirus, like pandemic, epidemic. I don't really know what the difference is. But definitely a very close second is the fact that every single person on TikTok can throw it back besides me. Like, are you kidding me?
Stupid, what was happening? What was happening? I'm a savage, yeah.
I just can't physically get my back to roll how they do it. And like my back, like every time I try it, it feels like it's like stretching. Like I physically just can't throw it back. I've been watching so many tutorials on how to do it, no joke. And I just can't do it. Like it's physically impossible for me to be able to throw it back. And it's honestly upsetting, like it's hurting my feelings. I'm disappointed in myself. My mum's disappointed in me for the fact that she paid for like 7 years of dancing lessons and like I can't even throw it back. Like I feel like you just can't get famous on TikTok if you cannot throw it back. I'm just sitting here like, why can't I do it? I think my massive goal for this whole like quarantine, social isolation like thing is just to learn to throw it back. Like that's my goal. I'll check back with you guys later, and if I still can't do it, then I'm just gonna hop off TikTok and stop trying because it's actually embarrassing. Like I should be embarrassed for myself. So this is my makeup, how I'd usually do it. Really want to try and draw freckles on. I've seen so many people do this like ages ago. So I want to do it. I'm just gonna make it really late to the trend. I've never done this before, so let's see how I go. Oh my god, that was scary. Is that like working? I can't tell if it's working or not. Does this look really dumb? I just drew some on. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Okay, I literally just drew them on. That looks... I can't tell if they look like freckles or not. Okay, I'm going to call it quits on the freckles, and I'm now just going to go do my hair. I'm back. I just curled my hair. I'm probably just going to have some lunch, film some TikToks, and then I'm just going to take you guys along with what I do today and how I stay, what's the word? Not bored, like occupied. How I stay busy during isolation. So thanks for getting ready with me. I'm on TikTok, so let's... Okay, I am back and I'm obviously in my bathroom. So I'm in the kitchen right now, and I've decided that considering Easter is... I think it's soon. The Easter eggs are out at the supermarket, so I'm pretty sure it's soon. I decided I was going to make Easter sugar cookies. I think every time Easter comes around, I say I'm gonna make these biscuits, and I never ever do. Like I've never made these before. So considering I'm in isolation, I found a recipe book, bake together, because that's so fun. So fun. I hope these turn out good. I've wanted to make these for ages. Like look how good these ones look. If mine do not look like that, I'm gonna be so pissed. Okay, to make the cookies, oh, do I even have the ingredients? I need flour, baking powder, salt, butter, sugar, vanilla extract. So whisk the flour, baking powder, and salt together in a medium bowl. Let's do another cup. Shit. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh my god. I'm gonna like level this off. Oh my god, this has gone so... I feel like that was 2 1/4 cup of flour. If not, I can add more. Literally step 1, I've already up. I feel like that's enough. That's really weird. That's a weird step. I don't like that. Okay, now I gotta whisk this all together. I need 180 grams. 50, 100, and let's say that's like 180, I feel like. Okay, I'm gonna say this is 180. I probably should... No, okay, we're gonna like be professional. I'm gonna get a scale and make sure I'm accurate because I want these to turn out actually good. See how like close my guess was. Oh my god, it was 181 grams. I was literally dead on. I'm actually a chef, like that was a guesstimation. I'm coming from a different angle, and I'm now going to beat my butter and sugar on a high speed until completely smooth and creamy. So I probably should have cut the butter up really small. Like it's still like kind of massive. Like look at the chunk of butter. Yeah, that was kind of dumb. Should I like cut it up now? Okay, let's try this again. I just got sugar like all over the ground. My butter has been beaten. So far this recipe is going really well, and I'm like actually bossing it. So now I need to add an egg and vanilla extract. Okay, my egg and vanilla are in here. This is like a cooking show. Wow. 2 bowls here. I'm pretty sure I'm meant to combine it at some stage, so I'm assuming that's now. So this is my dough, or this is half of my dough. I don't think you can see me right now, but I'm going to roll it out. Oh, I'm really dumb. I'm not meant to roll these out yet. I'm meant to refrigerate for 2 hours. That's so boring. My dough has rested in the fridge for like an hour and a half or whatever. I'm now gonna roll out my dough, and found some cookie cutters, but they're like Christmas cookie cutters and not Easter. But maybe I can make like a snowman, an Easter bunny or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Wish me luck. I've probably been the shittest filmer ever because it's actually really hard to bake and film at the same time. Some of my cookies are still in the oven and some are done. There, some of them down there. Those ones look kind of bad because I didn't obviously have Easter egg stencils. And then I kind of realized that they looked shit, so I just used the Christmas ones. The Christmas ones, I obviously still have to ice them, and then I have some still in the oven. Yeah, it's actually a really nice day outside. So like my whole fam are outside. My whole fam, literally just my mum. You can come in. So I need to do the icing, and 4 bowls of icing. I'm going to food dye them pastel colors and put that on my cookies. I honestly forgot to film everything. The movie night that we had, the quiz. Just asked everyone in my family questions about me. Let's see who got them right. And in first place, we have my mum. In second place, stop laughing. We have Juggy and Dad, who's struggling to sit down. I made a TikTok on it though. And the cookies. I have no idea how this video went or if I'm going to upload this because I don't even know if there's enough footage to even like make this a video. But if I did end up uploading this and you are watching this, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, press the red button, and yeah, bye guys.